Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use the CleanWeb feature in Surfshark VPN. So to use the CleanWeb feature in Surfshark VPN, you'll have to follow the steps. So the CleanWeb feature in Surfshark VPN helps protect your device from malfunctioning or malware or phishing attempts, trackers, and ad while you browse the internet. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you know the drill. You need to go ahead and check your internet connection and then log in into your Surfshark VPN. So when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. While you're on this page, you need to access the settings. So for that, please go ahead and tap the settings bar from the bottom right hand side corner. And while you're on this page, go to VPN settings. Here you need to scroll down a bit and look for the option that says CleanWeb. So if you are sure about enabling it, then toggle the button next to it, and here you can see that you've successfully enabled the CleanWeb in Surfshark. So depending on the app version and the platform, you may have the option to customize CleanWeb settings further as well. So this may include toggling specific categories of content, blocking, whistling certain website, or adjusting the level of protection and all that. So once done, make sure to save the changes, and that's how you can use the CleanWeb feature in Surfshark VPN. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.